I would like to now invite up Professor Stephen Batchelor, head of department for our game department, to present the first award for Serious Games.
Well, this is getting grander and more fantastic for every year. So it's just a really great pleasure to be here and to see such a great turnout and all the wonderful student work. So with no further ado, we're going on to the Serious Games. And I'd just like to say that Serious Games are designed not only to provide challenges that create progression for the players in the game world, but they also are designed to specifically create challenges that provide progression for the players in the real world. So I think that's about as good of a definition that I could come up for tonight. Now I'm just waiting for my envelope. Excellent. And the award to Best Serious Game for 2009 goes to Ghost Written.
Thank you, and I would like to thank my team above all, who've done such a great job. This year I couldn't have done it without them. Thank you, thank you, thank you.